of Tehran and Karachi. During his one-day visit to the UAE on 30th of July, Foreign Minister Bilawal Bhutto Zardari conveyed heartfelt condolences to His Highness Sheikh Abdullah bin Zayed Al Nahyan on the sad demise of His Highness Sheikh Saeed bin Zayed Al Nahyan. The two foreign ministers discussed bilateral relations between Pakistan and the UAE and exchanged views on regional and global developments in the region. On 31st of July, Foreign Minister Bilawal Bhutto Zardari attended the 18th extraordinary meeting of the OIC Council of Foreign Ministers, convened to debate the recurring incidents of the desecration of the Holy Quran. The Foreign Minister condemned the Islamophobic and hateful acts of desecration of the Holy Quran and underscored the need for shunning religious hatred and for promoting interfaith harmony and peaceful coexistence. He reiterated the call for appointment of a UN Special Envoy to combat Islamophobia. We are pleased with the outcome of the extraordinary CFM that adopted a comprehensive resolution endorsing the 8-point action plan unanimously agreed upon by UN Human Rights Council to counter incitement to hatred, discrimination, stigmatization, and violence based on religion and belief. Pakistan's cricket team will participate in the ICC Cricket World Cup to be held in India. Our decision to participate reflects Pakistan's consistent position that sports cannot be mixed with politics. Pakistan's constructive and responsible approach contrasts with that of India, which has repeatedly politicized sports by refusing to send its cricket team to Pakistan for the Asia Cup or denying visas for Pakistan's blind cricket team. During its visit to India, we expect the Pakistan cricket team to receive the requisite courtesies and full safety and security. Our deep concerns about the security of Pakistan's cricket team are being conveyed to the International Cricket Council and the Indian authorities. On the 5th of August, the Pakistani nation expressed complete solidarity with their Kashmiri brothers and sisters on the occasion of the 4th anniversary of India's illegal and unilateral actions of 5th August in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir. Since 2019, India has taken a series of measures to alter the demographic makeup of IIOJK and intensified its suppression of the Kashmiri people. India has carried out a selective delimitation of electoral constituencies, issued fake domiciles to millions of non-Kashmiris, and added hundreds of thousands of temporary residents to alter the existing voter rolls. These measures are aimed at disenfranchising the people of Kashmir and converting them into a disempowered minority in their own land, in gross violation of the 4th Geneva Convention. Pakistan believes that the people of Jammu and Kashmir have the right to determine their own future in a UN-supervised plebiscite as enshrined in the relevant UN Security Council resolutions. Pakistan will continue to extend political, diplomatic, and moral support to our Kashmiri brothers and sisters for the just and peaceful settlement of the Jammu and Kashmir dispute in accordance with the UN Security Council resolutions. I thank you. Hanji.
ترجمان دفتر خارجہ ممتاز